For number 14, it says use the function graphs to answer the following. So we've plugged in numbers to functions as equations. We've plugged in numbers to functions as tables. So with graphs, it's similar but different. So find f of 2. How we do this is we find 2 on the x-axis. And we want to report where is the function at when x is equal to 2. So at 2, the function is down here. So what is the y value down here? Well, that is -3. So the y value when x is equal to 2 on this graph is -3. If we look at f of 0, that's right there. And where is it at? It is up there at 1. So we're always reporting the y values for this. And then f of 1, we go down there. I'm going to put -1, or you could put -0.9. It doesn't look like it quite reaches it, but you could say that the shading actually does reach it. It's kind of hard to tell. So I'd accept either one of those. And then lastly is solve f of x is equal to -3. So for these, they're giving us the y value. The y value is -3. They want to know what x values you need to plug in to achieve -3 as a y value. So if you draw a line at -3, what are the x values where it hits that? Well, it hits it here at -2. And it also hits it here at +2. So both, if you plug in -2, you get -3. If you plug in +2, you get -3.